Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a connections game, 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Now, we've got queens, kings, jacks, and aces. Surely that's a red herring, that's just too obvious. Bucks and spurs makes me think it's going to be something American sport related. But the trouble is, I don't know exactly which 4. If I had to guess, it would be those 4. But I'm not completely certain because this, I think, it looks like it's does, but I'm wondering if it's meant to be does to go with the bucks and the bulls, and we're actually going to have something along the lines of animals, males or females. Queens is obviously a female. We've got doe, a deer, a female deer. Queens, as in bees. Drones, I mean, worker bees. We could have just all sorts of insect rather than just different female animals. Interesting. What else have we got? We've got handles, garage doors or garage doors, addresses, televisions, and tackles, and Wii's. Is that just the plural of the Nintendo game system? What on earth is that going to be connected with? Those are the 6 that seem to not go with any of the others. The thing is, obviously, only 4 of them can go together. That means the other 2 are going to have to go with 2 of the other things. So even if we've got playing cards or we've got insects or female animals, somehow we're going to have to fit 2 out of those 6 words with them. And I've got no idea how we're going to do that. Televisions. Also, why is everything plural? Is it just to hide the fact that does is actually DOE and not just do? Because that is weird otherwise. There's got to be a reason why everything is pluralized. Could be something that sounds like something. This sounds like wheeze, as in WHEEZE. Tackles, spurs, kings, jacks, queens, does. Nothing else sounds like a form of breathing or something along those lines. Addresses. What kind of addresses is that? Is that like the address where you live? Is it a State of the Union address, that sort of thing? I've got no idea. And how on earth do garage doors link to handles? Garage doors can go up or down. Drones can fly. You can fly off the handle. You can fly drones. That doesn't really work, does it? Huh. Absolutely no idea what's going on here. Kings and queens are districts. Queens is a district of New York, isn't it? I don't know about kings, actually, in second thought, but clearly, I mean, we don't have Manhattan or any of the others. If we had Bronx, then maybe, but clearly we don't have just 4 districts of New York anyway. I suppose we might have districts of other things. I really don't know what's going on here, but I am very curious to find out. Televisions can be called sets. Tackles can be called sets. What else comes in sets? A set of aces? I mean, you can have a set of any of the cards, can't you? Set of drones, a set of handles, set of garage doors. It doesn't seem likely. I'm going to have to go for something, aren't I? Do I just go for 4 that I think might be sports teams? I'm not sure there are 4, that's the problem here. Spurs, Bucks, and Bulls are definitely some kind of sports teams. The others I'm really less confident about. So do we go for the Well, it's not even flying insects, is it? Because does doesn't fit. Does goes with bucks. Oh, I'm so confused. I'm torn between so many different possibilities. Queen bees, hornets, drones, and workers. Workers is the other type. There isn't a bee that's an aces or a king or a jack, is there? So that makes me less confident about that. But then if we've got female animals, is a spur a female deer or something? No, it's clearly not a female deer because a doe is a female deer. We've already established that. I've got no idea. I might just have to go for something because even if it's wrong, hopefully it'll tell me I'm on a way. So then at least I'll know I'm on the right track. So with that in mind, those three could all be insect or bee related. What do I think is the other likely one? Do we have king bees, jack bees, ace bees? I don't think we do. Let's just go for jacks. It's not even one away. Okay, that is useful to know. I suppose I better try these four. I'm not confident that this is going to be a group. It is. Okay. Just playing cards. I way overthought that then, didn't I? Okay. I'm not sure that helps me at all. I'll go for the sports teams. Or will I? Because I still don't think there's a fourth one. I suppose Hornets is the most likely. They're just NBA teams. Fair enough. What on earth are these last two then? Drones, does or does, tackles, handles. Oh, okay. Handles, tackles, addresses, and does. They're just all words that mean to sort something out, aren't they? To take on. So then we've got Wii's, carriage doors, drones, and televisions. Is it just things with remote controls? Have I just way overthought this whole thing? Things you can control with remotes. Oh my gosh, that was so much easier than I made it look. I thought there was so many red herrings, and there really weren't. I completely overanalyzed that. That's frustrating. That's a terrible performance, but I still only made one mistake. So we get there in 5. That's not actually a complete disaster, but it's a little bit embarrassing how way off track I was for most of that. But we got there in the end. Let me know how you got on with this one. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.